Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by constant distractions? You need to watch this if you struggle with staying focused. Today is day 13 of our Stoic Challenge, and today's mission: remove one distraction from your life for just 24 hours. Think about it. Maybe it's your phone, social media, or checking messages every few minutes. The Stoics remind us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. So why let distractions rule your mind? Imagine this. You delete that app that sucks away your time. You turn off the TV that blares in the background. You log out of everything. For 24 hours you own your time. You control your focus, and you feel the freedom in your mind. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Take the challenge. Feel the difference. Remember, your mind is yours to command. Take control. You've got this. Don't forget to subscribe and share your experience in the comments below.